Happy Women's Month. My name is Mami Matlou. I'm a credit repair administrator. My role is to assist with improvement of credit profile so that one is able to apply for credit at better interest rates and also be able to live within one's means. We assist with debt review, flag removal, rescission of judgments, and debt administration. With the cost of living getting higher every day, we as women are feeling the pinch. We are all struggling to make ends meet. At some point, we are hoping for a miracle. A phone call promising you a loan consolidation or a reduced monthly installment towards your debt obligation might sound like a saving grace. But the question is it really? You will find yourself unknowingly under debt review or debt administration. But the question again is, do we know the difference between debt review and debt administration? There is a misconception going around regarding debt review, debt consolidation, debt cancelling, debt administration, and it's only fair as women to be armed with financial literacy. As financially fearless women, it is okay to ask for help should one find themselves under any financial constraints. We all know that financial circumstances do change over time. Credit repair will be able to assist in assessing one's current financial status and be able to recommend credit repair needs. Should one find themselves under any debt administration process, whether it's debt review or debt administration, the flag will stay in your credit profile for long, making it difficult for future credit applications. By contacting credit repair, you will be financially literate and also be empowered and be able to live within one's means.
For some quick tips, we should know the difference between debt review and debt consolidation, and also avoid giving out personal details over the phone, especially our ID numbers, so that we don't mistakenly find ourselves under any debt administration process. And last, we should know our limits, know where and when to spend, and be financially empowered.
Let us normalize contacting a credit repair so that we can be armed with the financial literacy that we need and be able to make better choices in future. My name is Mami Matlou. I'm a credit repair administrator.